Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. This video is about the fire bricks that will go inside the ESSE cookers. These bricks are vermiculite bricks, and what I love about these bricks is that if you break a brick, you only have to replace a single brick. And this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the bricks over in your ESSE wood stove. The first thing you need to do is to remove the top baffle brick. To do this, lift the brick outside of these two little notches, bring the brick forward, and you'll see it just fits under the front of the opening. You can slide the brick out. The two supports are actually held into place by this 45-degree chamfer, which fits between the side brick and the top. And this just pulls straight out. The next thing you want to do is to remove the front brick. This sits directly in the front of the opening of your firebox and lifts straight up, and you can slide it straight out. Moving the base brick is quite easy. By putting your hand in the front, you can lift the brick up and pull it out. With all the ESSE cookers, there are 6 side bricks. To remove these bricks, the best way to do is to lever the brick from the bottom first, and you can then pull the brick out, slide it down, and it comes out quite easily. The first stage is what you want to do is remove only one of the front bricks, and then the second brick, you want to put your hand in the top. What we're doing is we're holding the top brick in position while we remove the side brick. And as the side brick comes out, you can see the top brick now comes out at the same time. There are 2 of these bricks inside your ESSE stove. To remove the back one, slide it forward away from the brick you've just removed, and you can see it slides straight back out. Now all the bricks are now just sitting inside of it, and you can pull them out individually one by one. Putting your bricks back in your ESSE stove is exactly the same, just in reverse. The easiest way to do is to put 2 of the side bricks in the stove, so when you slide this top brick in, you can stand them up, which is going to hold the top brick into position. Once you've got the first brick in, the rest of them are quite easy. Put in the front top brick into position, slide the side bricks in to hold this into position, and now all the bricks are in. If you have a WN, you have these 2 bricks on the back wall. If you have the WD, it's just a single brick on the back wall. You put your base brick in, you put the front brick in, and putting your baffle plate in is the same thing in reverse. Push the 45-degree chamfer up between the side brick and the top brick, and it just holds itself into position. Make sure these are pushed all the way to the back, and that way there, when your baffle plate locks in, it locks it in and holds all this into position for you.